So now, what is my first example? Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 in roster form. Roster form na enna? A equal to set of all elements inside a curly bracket. So first you have to find the solution. Solution da vandu set kulla eludha solranga. So what is the solution of x square plus x minus 2 equals 0? You know, splitting the middle term illa quadratic equation edo one use panni find the solutions. So I'll use splitting the middle term. The product has to be 2 and the sum has to be positive 1. So I'll do 2 minus 1. Okay, so இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x square plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. இந்த இடத்துல x common எடுத்தா I'll have x into x plus 2. I'll need an x plus 2 over here. So இதிலேருந்து I'm taking minus 1 outside. You all know how to do splitting the middle term. Okay, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம சின்ன கிளாஸ்லேயே பார்த்துருக்கோம். So இந்த இடத்துல splitting the middle termல தப்பு பண்ணாதீங்க. இது கன்ஃபியூசிங்காக இருக்குன்னா use quadratic formula. What is your quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so this is your quadratic formula. Quadratic formula at least ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So here when I take x plus 2 common, I'll have x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals 0. இப்போ ரெண்டுத்தையும் equate பண்ணா I'll have x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. கரெக்டா? So these are all my solutions. இதை நான் இப்போ எப்படி எழுத போறேன்? A is equal to roster formula எழுத சொல்றாங்க. So my set of all elements is going to be minus 2, 1. So this is how you write your solution. Write the solution set of the equation. Solution set na solution கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அது set மாதிரி எழுதணும். You have to write it inside the curly bracket. So here I denote the set with capital A. என்ன வேணா போட்டுக்கலாம். இந்த இடத்துல capital A போடலாம், இல்ல S போடலாம், இல்ல Y போடலாம், ஏதோ ஒன்று. You can write anything you want. Okay, but it has to be a capital letter. So this is your final answer. A is a set of all elements of the solution of the given equation. Okay. Moving on to example 2. Write the set in the roster form. Okay, இப்போ இங்க என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? I have x is a positive integer. அப்ப x ஓட value is greater than 0. கண்டிப்பா. It is a positive integer na 0 ஓட greater தான் இருக்கும். Negative numbers கிடையாது. And what is my other condition? And இருந்ததுன்னா it has to satisfy both. or கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா it can be either of them. ஒன்னா பாசிட்டிவ் இன்டிஜரா இருக்கலாம், இல்லாட்டி x square less than 40 இருக்கலாம். and இருந்ததுன்னா it has to satisfy both the conditions. So I have x square less than 40. So x square less than 40 na x என்னென்ன values எடுக்க முடியும்? 1 square is going to be 1. This is less than 40. Correct? True. Okay. 2 square is going to be 4. This is also less than 40. 3 square is going to be 9. This is also less than 40. 4 square equals 16. This is also less than 40. இங்க x ஓட values la enna? X இங்க 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of x is 5, I'll have 5 square which is equal to 25, which is also less than 40. It is still satisfying the condition. இப்போ 6 போட்டா I'll have 6 square which is going to be 36. This is still less than 40. 7 போட்டா 7 square, this is 49. This is not less than 40. இது எல்லா cases may true, but this is not true. Okay, so x is equal to 7 is not a solution. So the roster formula நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x ஓட values என்னென்ன? It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so a equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. இப்போ for example இந்த இடத்துல x positive இல்லைன்னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா you should also write minus 1 square, minus 2 square, minus 3 square, minus 4 square, minus 5 square, minus 6 square. இது எல்லாமும் solution தான். Okay, so this is when x is a positive integer. When x is not a positive integer, so positive integer னு கொடுக்காம எந்த கண்டிஷனுமே கொடுக்கலனா your set is going to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0. Okay, so this is going to be your solution. If x is a positive integer னு கொடுக்கலனா இது solution, but in the question this is going to be your solution. Okay, please don't get confused. So this is just for reference காக எழுதுன, இதை confuse பண்ணிக்காதீங்க. Okay, moving on to example 3. Write the set A equals 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in set builder form. Set builder form na enna? A equal to set of all elements of x such that x belongs to அப்படினு condition எழுதணும். இதுதான் set builder form ஓட definition. Okay, so இதை எழுத போறோம். First இந்த இடத்துல கொடுத்திருக்கிற elements என்ன patternல இருக்குன்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So you have A equals 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. So this is until infinity. So இது வேற எப்படி எழுதலாம்? I can write this as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on. So how do you write this in your set builder form? I'm going to write this as A such that, A equal to set of all elements x such that x is equal to n square. n square na அர்த்தம் இப்போ n ஓட values எங்கேருந்து எங்க போனோம் n has to be greater than 1 கரெக்டா n ஓட value 1 லேந்து n equal to 2 and it goes until infinity. So I have to write this particular condition. So x is equal to n square, comma, x belongs to natural number. Correct? It cannot be a integer or it cannot be anything else. It has to be a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 தான் நம்ம deal பண்றோம். So x is equal to n square. X belongs to natural number and n value is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so these are all your conditions. Okay, comma போட்டாலும் and போட்டாலும் it is going to be the same meaning. So you can write and or comma. So இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம andum போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay, and n greater than or equal to 1. இது condition satisfy பண்ணுதா? X is equal to n square. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? n ஓட value greater than 1. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. இந்த மாதிரி increment ஆயிட்டே போகுது. So this gives your required set. Okay, so this is your final answer. So this is how you write your final answer. So this is your set builder form. Okay, moving on to example 4. Write the set in the set builder form. So மறுபடியும் you have to find the pattern. எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So you have 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 இப்படி கொடுத்திருக்கு. So what do I see? I have n divided by n plus 1. கரெக்டா? இப்போ n ஓட value 1 னா I'll have 1 divided by 1 plus 1 which is 2. இப்போ n ஓட value 2 னா I'll have 2 divided by 2 plus 1 which is 2 divided by 3. So இதுதான் வந்து இதோட pattern. So I found out what my pattern is. So I'm going to write the set builder form now. So A equals x such that x is equal to நம்ம element n it is going to be n divided by n plus 1 comma n is greater than or equal to 1 comma n belongs to capital N natural number. Okay, so this is how you write. You have to find the pattern first. அப்புறம் அது natural number, real number, rational number, integer கரெக்டா எழுதணும். அப்புறம் அதோட condition. What is its starting value and what is its end value? இந்த இடத்துல end value நம்ம போடணும். Because we have n is equal to 6 வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கு. இந்த இடத்துல n is equal to 6 வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கு. So n greater than or equal to 1 and n less than or equal to 6. So I can write this as A equals set of all elements x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1 comma n belongs to natural numbers comma 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. இந்த மாதிரி எழுதலாமா? So my n value starts from 1 and it goes until 6. So n oda value 6 na I'll have 6 divided by 6 plus 1. So I'll have 6 divided by 7. So this gives me all the numbers. Okay. So this is your final answer. Please copy. Example 5. Match each of the set on the left described in the roster form. Okay. So இப்போ left hand side la நமக்கு set of all elements கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So நம்ம first right side solve பண்ணுவோம். So what is my A? A is going to be x such that x is a positive integer and a divisor of 18. X is a positive integer na it is going to be greater than 0. இது ஒரு condition. X is a divisor of 18. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? 18 எப்படி எல்லாம் எழுதலாம்? I can write 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 4 ஆல் எழுத முடியுமா? முடியாது. 5 எழுத முடியாது. Then I'll have 6 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 into 1. So this is getting repeated. So what are all my numbers? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So what is my set going to be? It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So these are all my numbers which are divisors of 18 and it is definitely greater than 0. In the condition is satisfied பண்ணது. So what is this going to be? I'm going to match these two. Okay, so for A, it is going to be number 3. Okay, A க்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 3. Okay, now moving on to B. B என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? X is an integer and x square minus 9 equals 0. So x belongs to integer கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Comma, x square minus 9 equals 0. So what will I have? X square equals 9. X is equal to square root of 9 which is going to be plus or minus 3. So I'll have two different values. So what is my set? It is going to be 3 comma minus 3. So in the answer. So I'm going to match this. It is going to be the fourth subsection. So this is going to be my answer for B. புரியுதா நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா I'm just solving and I'm matching the following. Okay. Now, C என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? X is an integer and x plus 1 equals 1. X is an integer, which means I'll have all my negative numbers and positive numbers, which are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until infinity and minus infinity. Okay. Now, x plus 1 equals 1. X plus 1 equals 1. X is equal to 1 minus 1. X equals 0. So, what is my set of all elements? It is simply 0. So, 0 எங்க இருக்கு? It is going to be my second subsection. Okay, I'm going to match that also. So, C க்கு எது போகுது? C will have the second subsection. அப்போ obviously D க்கு என்ன? First subsection. So, D is going to be over here. But let me solve that for you. D என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? X is a letter of the word principal. இப்போ principalல என்னென்னலாம் words இருக்கு? PRINCIPAL. Principal. இந்த இடத்துல என்னென்னலாம் set of all elements? My set is going to have P, R, I, N, C. I இருக்கு. But I see that my I is already included here. I have 2 I's. Correct? You should not have repetitions in your set. This is also very, very important. Setல வந்து repetition கிடையாது. Numbers திரும்ப repeat ஆக கூடாது. So, since I've already included I, I'm going to write. Again, I also see that I have 2 P's. So, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு P இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு P இருக்கு. I've already included my P. So, I'm not going to write P again also. So, what is my next letter? A and L. So, what is my set of all elements? P, R, I, N, C, A, L. So, is this equal to the first subsection? P, R, I, N, C, A, L. Correct. So, first D க்கு it is going to be my first subsection. Okay. Please copy. It is very, very easy. நம்ம கரெக்டாக சால்வ் பண்ணால் எல்லாமே கரெக்டாக போட்டுடலாம். Okay.